check this out. Can't really see it. Oh, hi kitty. We can turn this light off. Let me show you guys something interesting. So the dryer crapped out a little while ago. It doesn't work. And it's been getting really cold out. So we're like, shoot, we need to find somewhere to... We find a way to dry the clothes because it's too cold and it takes way too long for the clothes to dry now. Then we remembered. We have this. Which I had just cleaned and turned on for the first time. It's an interesting piece, really. Put up this chair so I can sit down. This is... I don't know what this is, like Valor or something like that. I don't know. Valor. Caution. Hot well in operation. Do not touch. Keep children, clothing, furniture, gasoline, and other liquids having flammable vapors away. I don't know if this is a suitable distance. I might move it back a little bit more just because it just makes me nervous, you know. This is a natural gas heater. And it does get quite hot. There's a lot of heat coming off of it. The little thing there is an ignition switch. And then the bottom one is the temperature control. It is not on very high. I have it on like minimum right now. But it can go all the way up to this. That's as high as up as it can go. Although it's not vented or anything, so... And we don't really need it up very high anyways. The knob on it's very touchy. Right there is your pilot light, along with the burners. This thing, it looks filthy right now, but I'd say before I worked on it, it was like completely caked with dust. The old owners of the place kept the manual to it as well, as they did with a lot of the stuff in this house. Pretty cool. That's moving a ton of heat, even on the, like even on this, it's pretty warm. Because we gotta dry off all these clothes. I might move it back a bit more though, but I figured this would be cool to show. I'm not sure what these vents are. They're not for the furnace. They're not for this, so I don't know what they're for. I don't know, I thought maybe originally it was fan forced, but clearly not, because I'm not doing anything. So, who knows? Anyways, that's the end of the video.